Hello, this is S. Om Prakash. I'm discussing about the topic of C function declaration. Uh, let's get into the topic. What is C function? It is a large C program is divided into basic building blocks called C function. C function contains a set of instructions enclosed by flower braces which performs a specific operation in a C program. It is a large C program which was divided into basic building blocks. It is called as a C function which contains a set of instructions enclosed by flower braces. It performs a specific operation in C. Actually, collection of these functions creates a program. Uses of C functions. Functions are used to avoid rewrite the same logic or code again and again in a program. They are used to avoid and rewrite same logic again and again, and there is no limit in calling C functions to make use of same functionality wherever required. There is no limit in calling of C functions to use of same functionality. We can call functions any number of times in a program and from any place in a program. We can call functions yeah, with any number of times again and again in a program from which some place to another place in a program. A large C program can easily be tracked. A program can easily track when it is divided into functions. C function declaration, function call, and function definition. There are three aspects in each C functions. They are function declaration or a prototype, which is called as a declaration of a function. This informs a compiler. It informs compiler is about the function name, function parameters, and return values data type. Function call. These calls are the actual function. Function call is called by actual function. Function definition. It contains all the statements to be executed. Function definition. Return type function name argument list. Function call. Function name argument list. Function declaration. Return type function name argument list. Simple example program for C functions. As you know, function should be declared and defined before calling in a C program. In the below program, function square is called from main function. Square is we are calling the square in a main function. The value of m is passed as argument. M is passed by argument to the function square. This value is multiplied by itself in this function, and multiplied value p is returned to main function from function square. Let us see the example once. And then output is we can enter some number for finding square 2. Square of the given number 2 is 4. Next, how to call C function in a program. There are two ways that a C function can be called from a program. The two ways are call by value, call by reference. Call by value. Let us discuss about the call by value topic. In call by value method, the value of the variable is passed to the function as parameters. The passed functions we are called it as parameters. The value of actual parameters cannot be modified by formal parameter. Different memory is allocated for both actual and formal parameters. Different types of memory is allocated for both actual and formal parameters because the value of actual parameter is copied to formal parameters. Note actual parameters. This is the argument which is used in function call. Formal parameters. This is the argument which is used in function definitions. For example, a program for C function using call by value. In this program, the value of the variable m and n are passed to the function swap. These values are copied to formal parameters a and b. In swap functions are used. Let us see the examples of parameters. And the output is before swapping m is equals to 22 and n is equals to 24, and after swapping the values are m is equals to 44 and n is equals to 22. Next, call by reference. It is another topic in functions. In call by reference method, the address of the variable is passed to the function as parameters. The value of the actual parameters can be modified by formal parameters. The same memory is used for both actual and formal parameters, since only address is used by both parameters. For example, program for a C function using call by reference is in this program the address of the variable m and n are passed to the function swap. These values are not copied to formal parameters a and b is a swap function because they are just holding the address of those variables. This address is used to access and change the values of the variables. The address is used to change the values and variables. Let us see the examples of function declaration in swapping. And then output for the program is the values before swap is m is equals to 22 and n is equals to 44, and then after the swapping values are 44. Thank you.